Hi viewers, welcome back. I am sitting inside the cabin of the Mercedes vehicle. This is a Mercedes Benz. So today I am going to let you know how we can change the headlight bulb of this vehicle. This video is not for the expert technician. This is for the video is for the beginners. So here you can see this switch, like this switch is near the door. This is a driver door. Near the driver door, this switch. This is in off positions. And this one is a parking light, or some people asking the night lights. So this time this light, and this one is a headlight. We turn this switch like here. I am going to downsides. Here you can see this is a park light. Bulb is a lighting. Okay, this is a parking light, and headlight bulb is not working. This headlight bulb is not working. So this side, you can see this headlight bulb is working. So I'm going to change this one. Okay, some vehicles have the back side some space, but this vehicle don't have the back side space. I have to remove this screw, this one, two screw this, and one screw is this one. I will use the 27 number Allen key and remove this one. After one cover is also downside this one, and this is a screwdriver type, and this one is a T27. Okay, T27 by 100, and this one is the TT15 by 100. So mostly we call it the 15 Allen key 15 number, and this is a 27 Allen key. I use these two Allen keys to open this to open this headlights. So first 27 I use for these screws. This is second one. So we have to, third one is here. This one, the third one. We remove this for this Mercedes 6-wheeler. This is 6-wheel. Okay, this is a Mercedes Benz 6-wheel vehicles. So any Allen key you can use it, but this one Allen key is easy. Okay, so now this cover, I remove this cover, and for this cover use this Allen key, this 50 number Allen key, use it and remove this screw. This is only one screw. Okay, so in this way this cover is also removed. There are two cover we have removed. Okay, this cover has a three screw, and this cover have only one screw. So now here has a 4-bolt further inside. I use this 50 number. This is one bolt is here, this one, and one bolt is the downside here, and two bolt. One bolt is here, one is this. This is a 4-bolt. So I am going to hold my video here. I don't want to waste your times. So I will remove these 4-bolt. I will remove these 4 screws. This Allen key screws. Okay, sides. So normal Allen key making the problem. These screws are little tight. So viewers, now I have removed all 4 screws here, from here, and these 2 here I have removed. Now this one pull, it will pull upside and remove outside, so this way. So here are the bulb. So we push this one, this is a lock, remove the lock, remove the cover, and here is the bulb. So here is the grip. First remove this grip. You remove the grip, then this lock, open the lock, push after upside little, this, and here is the bulb. So you can see, I think this, you can see bulb is fused. So this bulb is fused. So fuse this bulb I'm going to fix. It's H7 24 volt. And so here I can see this upside headlight is put upsides. This area will come here. This one fix like this. This is very easy, not a very difficult, just for beginners. Then we put this lock it, make the lock. It will push and push down sides. After we put grips, first we put the cover, fix back the cover. After lock this cover. Okay, so now I'm going to check it. So here you can see the bulb is lighting. So I fix back both covers, downside and this upside. I fix the cover. Now I have fixed the bulb. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.